how are you? I wanted to kind of give you guys an idea of the 21-day fix that I got today and kind of give you guys a little bit of an input. So these are the containers. You can see we get a couple different ones, and each container, depending on what they are, relates to a certain food group. So you have yellow, which is for your carbohydrates. You have green, which is for your vegetables, so kind of like your green beans and your broccoli. You have purple, which are all for your fruits, so your bananas, your berries, and then you have your red, which is for your protein, so your chicken, your cottage cheese, your Greek yogurt. You have your blue, which is kind of for your cheese and for your kind of healthy fats, avocado. You can make some guacamole and be able to put it in here. And then you have your orange, which is pretty much for any type of seeds or like nuts or some of the other healthy fats that are on the list. And so what happens is that when you get the program, you get a book here that kind of goes through the program. It gives you a list of everything that you can eat, and based on your caloric intake, it's going to say, okay, for my range, for example, I can have, in terms of protein, I can eat 4 times from this a day. And then, which is what I thought and which I was nervous about, was that for the carbohydrates, I can eat just 2 times a day from this. And so it's kind of, once you have an idea of how many times you can eat from the containers, then you kind of set your meal, you kind of think about your meal plan for the day. And what they suggest is that you definitely want to eat your protein and your carbs, for the most part, all before 6 o'clock. And then everything else, definitely your carbs before 6 o'clock. And so I just wanted to show you kind of right now, at the moment right now, I was just kind of doing the, for my lunch for tomorrow. And so you can see I'm kind of putting, this is sweet potato, and I'm kind of just putting the sweet potato in there. And pretty much, there's no measuring, as long as it kind of fits in there, which I'm kind of smashing it in there. As long as it fits in there and you can shut the container, which I want to say that shuts, you can put it, you can eat it. It counts as a serving. And so then what I'm probably going to do is just kind of take my Tupperware and kind of use this as kind of just serving, my way of making my own other Tupperwares, and it'll be kind of like serving. And then here's my chicken. I had already cut up my chicken, and so that's going to go in there. And then I have my green beans, which I had steamed a little too long. That's why they look so dark. And that's, this counts as one of my containers for the day. So I'm going to go ahead and put that all in there. So now this is going to count as one of my meals. And so basically in there are kind of sweet potato, chicken, and my green beans. And so that gives you an idea, and you kind of do this every day, and you can plan ahead. And but I just wanted to give you guys an idea. All right? I'll see you guys. Have a good weekend.